Since we were staying in a campground yesterday and we have shore power, we decided to cook a really nice beef oxtail soup. And that's what we're going to be having this morning, right Spence? We're going to be serving the soup with some macaroni. Today is day 1446 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the United States, and we're currently in Page, Arizona. Last night we were here at the RV campground. This is Lake Powell's RV campground. We are about to check out of this campground in about half an hour, but we're still preparing breakfast. Get the soup going, get some macaroni going, and we're gonna have to rush it a little bit. So we don't know exactly what we're doing today yet, but let's finish breakfast first and we're gonna get the day started. Here you go, Spence. This is our breakfast. You did a good job with this soup. There's a really cool place in Page that I want to show you guys. We're gonna head over there after we leave the campground. But first, let me throw out some garbage, and we need to pack everything back up so we can get going. Last night it was really windy here, and we found that our toddler's little tent flew away. I don't know where Rena found it. But quick tip is, even if it's not windy during the daytime, be sure to secure everything before you sleep for the night if you're leaving things out. We still need to get changed, Spencer. It's already 11 o'clock. We're not going to play here at the campground. We're going to head over to our next destination before we play around, Spence. This campground that we're staying in got these little caravans here that you can stay in. It's a pretty unique experience, if you ask me. We're leaving the campground now, and we're going to make our way over to a Shell gas station, and you guys will see why in a minute. Here's the Shell gas station. Yep, there's a few cars parked here. There's a parking area here behind the Shell station. This is a cool little spot right outside of Page. Not a lot of people know about it. Maybe they do now, but let's go check it out. Can we go? There we go. Up. After a short hike, here we are. We reached this really cool looking cave. Here we are. It's surprising a lot of people here. Here we are. There are surprisingly a lot of people here.
On the sand?
This is a really cool looking cave. Look at this. This is a not very well known spot here in Page. I mean, aside from like the Antelope Canyons, this is a really cool spot to check out too. Right outside of Page, by the Shell gas station. And Spence having fun.
Just like Maui.
And this is Spencer's sandbox right here for today. Right? There's so much sand here. That's some cool pictures, Spence. Yeah. I got you. The ball is coming. This is a really cool spot to take some really nice picture. But it's getting pretty windy here, so we're gonna keep going. We're not gonna stay here. The sand is getting in our eyes and Spencer's not liking it. We're gonna be leaving Page and making our way over to Flagstaff, Arizona. But before we leave Page, there's one more place that we're gonna visit that's pretty much a must-do if you're visiting this area. It's a tourist area for sure, and that is the Horseshoe Bend. We're making the turn onto the Horseshoe Bend parking area. There's a fee to get in. A car is going to be $10. Alright, we're gonna make our way over to the Horseshoe Bend. There's gonna be a little bit of a hike there. The hike to the Horseshoe Bend is 1.5 miles. It's paved, so you can even bring a stroller. Our hike usually takes pretty long because Spencer likes to sit around and take breaks. Yeah, you gotta sit down again? Oh yeah, this is a good spot right here? Yeah. We are here at the Horseshoe Bend. So brave, Spence. Mama's scared. Great job, buddy. Let's go over here. Let's check this view out. Oh, this is a good view right here. Here. Pretty good angle right here. This is nice. The Horseshoe Bend is definitely one of the most iconic pictures when you look at Arizona, and it's worth taking a visit, but it's definitely a bit of a tourist trap here. There's a lot of people here. It is beautiful though, nonetheless. We're making our way back to the van now. Spencer's about to take his nap, and we're gonna make our way down to Flagstaff. Making our way into Flagstaff, and we are going to go to a mall. We've done a lot of outdoor stuff this morning, so let's go somewhere indoors. Spencer is still napping, so we're going to wait till he wakes up before we go in. Spencer just woke up. He had a little snack, got his diaper change, and now we're going to head inside the mall. We're going to walk around for a little bit, stretch our legs. Yes, Spence. Gotta put shoes on before we go in.
Put your shoes.
We don't really got much to do for the rest of the day, so there's an indoor playground here. We can kind of just stretch our legs, and then we're gonna find a place afterwards where we're gonna go camp. The Minion Crocs. Yeah! Very Christmas vibes here. We're about to leave the mall now. We're gonna head over to pick up some takeout. We think we're gonna get some barbecue, and then we're gonna go find our camp spot for the night. Where are we sleeping tonight? Cracker Barrel. We checked on Eye of Orlando. I think a lot of people say the street camping, I guess it's not allowed in this area. So Cracker Barrel is probably the best bet for Flagstaff. Bigfoot barbecue. Alright, this is what we're getting tonight. We're getting some ribs here. Bigfoot barbecue. Just picked up our food. We're gonna go find a place to camp for the night. We are here at Cracker Barrel. Cracker Barrel is usually a very reliable place to camp for the night, especially in the East Coast where there isn't too many places to camp. There's a lot of RVs here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this thing is filled with RVs. And tonight we're not gonna go look for any free camping or BLM. We're just gonna park in the city of Flagstaff here because it's getting late and we haven't eaten yet. Alright, let's find a spot. There's really not much to see here. You guys probably can't see anything either. It's just a parking lot of Cracker Barrels. Alright, I'm gonna go inside. We're gonna eat. We're in the van now. This is what we ordered. This is a pork rib. We got a full rack. That's gonna be our dinner for tonight. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We're gonna finish our dinner, our nice rack of ribs, And tomorrow we're going to be traveling over to Sedona, so that's going to be a cool place. If you guys want to check that out, be sure to check out our video tomorrow. And if you guys like watching real van life content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Bye.
Papa. Papa.
Bye-bye.
Papa.